a lot of liability that comes in construction, and it's spread out, but a lot of it falls in on the contractor, and they're looking for professional guidance. The value they add to the process is, and not to call Brian out, but I can send Brian a text at 10 o'clock at night and I'm gonna get a response at 10:02. His team, the communication from his team is exemplary. Coming in here with the client, sitting around the table, they pull it up on the computers. Everything has almost a tangible feel to it. The designers are working, moving walls, moving windows, really brings the client into the process. And then we get everything on the table all together as a team and finalize the project. If this is not all in-house, it's going to go to the architect first. There can be changes made in design, and it goes to engineering. And if it's during construction, especially with renovations, there are a lot of things that are uncovered when you're peeling back the onion that aren't expected, and it can cause extensive delays. With Coastal Creek Design, you bring the problem in, it comes into a full team. The architects, the engineers, the designers, and the response and the turnaround on it really has helped us not have hiccups and extensive downtimes during the process. Nobody wants to see a dead job site, and being able to reach out to Coastal Creek and have a solution inside 4 or 5 days is paramount. It's what makes the job flow. It's what keeps the subcontractors on the site working. There's clarity in the plans. Any questions that arise during the process are resolved very quickly. They're not trying to over-design something and add complication to the process when it can be simplified. They're very good at creating a buildable project. One of the benefits of Coastal Creek Design when it comes to the forecasted pricing of a project is Brian's past as a builder. He has kept his finger on the pulse of building costs. They're cognizant of working with a realistic budget, but also I don't think they're afraid to tell a client, what you want is not inside your budget parameters, so we can either adjust that or we can adjust the design. I have a lot of clients who will ask me for recommendations for architects and builders. Coastal Creek Design is always at the top of the list. The overall quality of the product that they put out has immense value for the job.